If you want to become a millionaire, you will have to take some serious actions that will lead you to wealth. Well, in this video, we will be telling you the 20 money moves that will make you rich. Watch the video till the end, or you may miss some important tips. Now let's start. 1. Raise the bar for accessing your savings at. If you want your savings to grow, one strategy is to put it in an interest-bearing account and not touch it for a while. Create a savings account with a bank that you don't normally conduct business with. Since you can't just go to a branch and withdraw the money, an online bank would be a suitable option for this. Keep your savings account separate from your debit card. You have a few options when it comes to depositing funds. Utilize mobile upload, send a check, or visit a branch if your bank isn't solely accessible online. 2. Pay using your credit card. This guidance could seem strange. Credit card debt, after all, poses the greatest risk to one's financial stability, doesn't it? Sure, it's possible. However, using a credit card and accruing debt are two distinct things. Credit cards may really help you save money if you use them regularly and pay off the debt every month. A cashback credit card is the first thing you'll need. The next step is to charge all of your monthly expenses, gas, food, and utilities, on your card. The next and foremost thing to do is to pay off your whole credit card amount in full prior to the due date. In this manner, you may avoid paying interest on your purchases while still receiving a cash refund for your expenditure. Reinvesting your hard-earned income into a savings account should be your top priority right now. Put it to use immediately rather than letting it accumulate or be carried over to the next month. Save up for it. Press the subscribe button and also the like button to know more earning tricks and get richer. 3. Spread your money around. Savings accounts aren't necessary for all of your financial needs. To maximize interest earnings and liquidity, it's a good idea to spread your savings out throughout many accounts, such as savings, certificates of deposit, and money market accounts. 4. Put your money into property. One is automatically a real estate investor if they own their own house. On the other hand, real estate may be lucrative in a variety of different ways. Just as in the many home improvement programs that air on television, you may purchase, renovate, and resell houses. A multifamily building might be a good investment. Another option is to put your money into a real estate investment trust, REIT, which offers shares in a group of assets including apartment complexes, retail centers, and other types of real estate. 5. Take stock of your residence. The cost of living is very sensitive to your location. You may increase your monthly savings rate by a significant amount if you relocate to an area with cheaper housing and other expenses. That being said, a significant shift for many individuals, it's definitely something to think about if you're intent on establishing a strong foundation for your financial future. 6. Steer clear of bank fees. It makes no difference how much interest you earn on your savings if you end up losing some of it due to costs. Get a certificate of deposit, CD, or savings account with no transaction fees or other hidden costs before you deposit any money. You may incur fees from certain savings accounts if your transaction volume is too high or low for a given statement period. Early withdrawal penalty fees are also possible with certificates of deposit. 7. Debt management is a crucial move. Debt should not be a part of your strategy if achieving financial stability is your objective. Although having a mortgage, vehicle payment, and student loan balance is something most people can't do anything about, being able to manage how much you pay each month may put you in a better position financially. If you want to know whether it's a good time to refinance your home or student loans, keep an eye on interest rates. After you pay off your automobile loan, hang on to your ride for a little longer. Every month, transfer the money you were paying toward your debt into a savings account. 8. Put your savings into motion. Set up an automated transfer from your paycheck to your savings account. In this manner, you might save money without even realizing it. People are more prone to spending their whole paychecks when they let them remain in their bank accounts. 9. Establish a rainy day fund. If you want to be financially ready for anything, including losing your job or having to pay for a big unexpected bill like a medical emergency or home repair, you should have 3 to 6 months worth of expenses saved up in an emergency fund. You may avoid taking out a loan or using credit to deal with these kinds of unexpected expenses if you have an emergency fund. 10. Plan out your monthly spending. Make sure to account for essential costs, desires, and savings while making a budget. After you establish a budget, you should really adhere to it, regardless of how much you allocate to each category. 11. Spend less than you earn. Spending on a want every once in a while is okay, but you should save the same amount every time. Put an extra $100 into savings if you're going to spend $100 on shoes. Skimp on the indulgence if your savings won't cover it. 12. Save money on your house and vehicles. A sizable chunk of your money can go when you buy a house or car. To the best of your ability, try to limit these expenditures. If you're looking to save money over time, consider purchasing a used automobile instead of leasing a new one. 13. Renegotiate your telephone and cable subscriptions. You may not have noticed a gradual increase in your bill if you have remained with the same wireless or cable provider for an extended period of time. See whether your service providers have any new incentives that might reduce your costs every year or two. 14. Eliminate the cord all at once. In addition to saving money, cutting the cable cord can free up your time, which you can use toward earning more money or coming up with other frugal strategies. 15. Get multiple insurance quotes. Changing insurance carriers can also help you save money each month. Look into other insurance companies to see if you can get a better deal on house or car insurance using a comparison tool. 16. Maintain a 24-hour window. Give yourself at least 24 hours to think before purchasing something you don't need. Giving yourself more time to think about it could help you decide that although you desire the item at the moment, it's not worth spending money on. 17. Establish a no-spend day every week. Pick a day per week when you won't buy anything. It is certainly doable, but it will need advanced preparation. You need to get your basic food items, of course. 18. Form a means of generating passive income. Money that doesn't need anybody else to create it is ideal. Typically, you need to put money into something that can pay for itself in the long run if you want to earn passive income. Purchasing a pre-existing, lucrative website, an ATM, or a billboard are all examples of this. 19. Make the most of your 401k contribution. If your business provides a matching contribution to your 401k retirement plan, be sure you are taking it. The money you put up for retirement will instantly double by 2. 20. Maintain a rising ratio of retirement savings. The percentage you set aside for retirement should grow in proportion to your income and the amount of debt you pay off. That's all for today. Now you know all the money moves that you should take to get rich quickly. You must take these money moves if you really want to get rich. Actually, I learned these moves from multi-millionaires like Sir Warren Buffett, Jeff Bezos, Charlie Munger, Robert Kiyosaki, and many others. They all do these things to make their money grow. Many of my friends are also doing these, and they have seen their wealth grow. Always remember that for getting rich you will have to do some work. Money won't come to you walking away. Hit the red subscribe button if you want to know more amazing tricks to get richer. Share this video with all of your friends and family members. Comment below if you are having any queries or suggestions for us. Press the like button if loved watching this video. Thanks for watching the video till here.